Good morning, children. So welcome back to the online session of a mathematics class. So we are discussing about the lesson simple equations. So in the earlier session of previous class, I had discussed about a simple equations, how to solve a simple equations by adding or subtracting equal amounts to both sides of the equations, right? So till now we have solved the equations using this procedure only, right? So suppose I am having an example like x plus 4 is equal to 7. So what I will do, I need to remove this plus 4 on the LHS. So 4 is added with this. So what I will do, I will subtract 4 from both sides. So what will happen? So x plus 4, I will subtract 4 from the LHS also, from the RHS also, because whatever you are subtracting, you should subtract from both the sides, right? Then in the LHS it gets cancelled. 7 minus 4 will be 3. This is the answer, right? So till now we have solved the equations in this method only, right? That is, if something is added, then subtract the same thing from equal sides. If something is subtracted, then add something, add that same value for both the sides, right? So if it is multiplied some value, then divide the same value on both the sides. If some value is divided with a variable, then multiply with the same value, then for the both sides, then the equation will be simplified to the variable in the LHS, right? So that is the rule we have maintained, and that is the method we have solved till yesterday, right? So we have one more method of solving these linear equations, which we will call it as transpose method. Transpose method of solving simple equations. Okay. Transpose method of solving simple equations. Now, so I have taken a simple example. So for example, see, I take a equation x plus 4 is the same equation I take, right? So in order to simplify this equation, in order to find out the solution for this equation, what I will do, so since 4 is added here, so I am subtracting 4 from both sides. So what will happen? X plus 4 initially, so we need to subtract 4. Or the RHS also I need to subtract 4. So x 4 will get cancelled, only x is remaining. 7 minus 4 will be 3. Right? This is the usual method, right? So I will solve the same equation by transposing the value from one side to another side, right? So that is equal to same as subtracting or adding some value to the equations. So same equation I have taken. I have a variable. Ultimately on the LHS I should have only variable. Whatever the value we have, we should remove that. So to remove that, what I need to do, because 4 is added, I will subtract from the 4, then it will be simplified to only variable on the LHS, correct? So the same equation, I will do one thing. I can transpose the 4 to the RHS. 4 will be there in the LHS, right? 4 is there in the LHS. I will transpose 4 to the RHS. If I transpose value to the RHS, sign of that value will going to change. Here it is plus 4. If I transpose to other side, it will become minus. If here it is minus 4, then if I transpose minus 4 to the other side, it will become plus. So if I transpose the value to the other side of the equal sign, then sign of that value will going to change. Very, very important. We are going to solve the equations by using this method only. So every time we can't even do this method because this is little lengthy. This is also a method of solving the linear equation only, but this is lengthy. Every time we can't even subtract 4 from both sides again. Right? It will take a time. So this is a convenient method, and it's within one step you will get the answer if you are using this type of method, that is transposing method. Right? So 4 is added. In fact, the sign of the 4 is plus. I will be transposing 4 to the other side. I will write it. Transpose plus 4 to the RHS. We know that this is LHS side. This is LHS side and this is RHS side. Right? Right hand side, left hand side. Plus 4, I am transposing to the RHS. I am transposing from LHS to the RHS. It has to cross the equal. So if it is has to cross the equal, the sign of the value is going to change. Here it is plus 4. If I transpose to the other side, it will become minus 4. Like this. So in the LHS, I have a x. Plus 4 I am transposing. So plus 4 will not be there in the LHS. In the RHS, I am already having 7. That you should write first. So plus 4 I am transposing to the RHS. It will become minus 4. Clear? Clear? I have a plus 4 here. I am transposing to the RHS. It has to cross the equal sign. Therefore, sign of this value is going to change. That is minus. Here it is plus. Then it will be changed into minus. Here it is minus. Then it will change into plus. Opposite side. Okay. Now x is equal to 7 minus 4, 3. Between 4 and 7, 7 is the higher value. Before that, I am having a positive sign. Therefore, here also it is a positive sign. Here. Here also I am getting the same answer, x is equal to 3. Here also I am getting the same answer, x is equal to 3. Right? So instead of subtracting 4 on both sides, instead of adding something to both sides, just I am transposing whatever the value will be there on the LHS, I am just transposing to the RHS. So that is transposing method of solving simple equations. Whatever the value will be there in the x, whatever the value, it may be a plus 4, it may be a minus 4, it may be a plus 7, it may be a 5 by 2. Not only an integer, it may be a rational number also. So that value also we can change into, we can transpose into RHS. Right? So we will solve by using these methods some of the exercises. So then we will come to know that how to solve the equations by using transposing method. Okay? So hope you will understand the transposing method. So while solving the exercise, you will have to know that how to do that. Okay. So we will solve some exercise. Exercise 4.3. Okay. So solve the following equations. First one. Solve the following equations. The first equation is I will do first b1, even and go after that. 5t plus 28. 5t plus 28 is equal to 10. 5t plus 28 is equal to 10. This is b. I will solve after that a. Okay, first we will understand b. Okay, it is a simple equation. Question a will be, it is having a rational number. Then again we will go for the question a. Okay. Now solution. Okay. The equation is 5t plus 28 is equal to 10. Okay. First I need to remove 28 with the 5t. Then only it will be simplified into 5t. Then I can remove the t. Right. And then I can remove the 5 and bring it to t. Ultimately on the LHS I should have only t variable. I should not have any coefficients or any value added or subtracted with variable. Clear? Now with the 5t, 28 is added. The sign of the 28 value is plus. So I am using transposing method. So what I will do? I will send 28 to the other side, RHS. What will happen? Here it is plus 28. If you send to the other side, minus 28. Very easy. We will write as this. Transpose 28, in fact it is plus 28 to the RHS. Clear? Okay, we will do that. So I am transposing 28 with the RHS, the remaining is 5t In the RHS I have 10. On transposing plus 28, it will become minus 28. Clear? Clear? Okay. Now, we'll write finally as it is in the LHS. 10 minus 28. 10 minus 28. Not 28 minus 10. 10 minus 28. 10 minus 28. 10 minus 28. 1 plus 1, 1 minus. We need to subtract it. If you subtract 10 from the 28, the answer is 18. Correct? But between 10 and 28, 28 is the higher value. 28 is the higher value. Before 28, I am having a negative sign. Therefore, here also it should be a negative sign. Here also it should be a negative sign. So, 10 minus 28 will become minus 18. Then, 5t is equal to minus 18. So, if I want to remove 5, so 5 is multiplied here. 5 is multiplied here. In order to remove that, I need to divide from 5 on the both sides. Okay, divide by 5 on both sides. Clear? So 5t is equal to minus 18. Divide by 5. Divide by 5. So 5 will get cancelled on the LHS. So in the LHS I have t, in the RHS minus 18 by 5. It is not going to be simplified because 18 is not going to be divisible by 5. Right as it is. Minus 18 by 5 is the solution for this equation. Okay. Yeah, just minus 18 by 5. If you want to check, you can substitute the same equation to the original equation, then you can verify that. Okay. Now we will go for the question number A. Okay. So that is 2y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 37 by 2 is equal to 37 by 2. Okay. Here the equation is same. Only thing is the value is a rational number. Here also it is a rational number. It doesn't matter. With the 2y, 5 by 2 is added. 5 by 2 is added. I will transpose 5 by 2 to the other side. What will happen? Here this plus sign. If I transpose 5 by 2 to the other side, it will become minus 5 by 2. That's it. Right? We'll do that. Transpose plus 5 by 2 to the RHS. Clear? So, I am going to transpose 5 plus 5 by 2. So, in the LHS I have only 2y. Okay? Is equal to RHS what we have, that we should write first. 37 by 2. That we should write first. That we should not disturb anything. Whatever we are going to transpose, for that value only sign is going to change. Remaining things we should write as it is. 2y is there, I will write 2y as it is. Plus 5 by 2 transpose into the other side. That's what I will not in the LHS. But in the RHS I have 37 by 2 in the previous equation. I am writing as it is. Now plus 5 by 2 transpose into the other side. It will become minus 5 by 2. Clear? Why it is minus 5 by 2? Because here it is plus 5 by 2. I am transposing from LHS to the RHS. Therefore, it will become minus 5 by 2. Clear? Now, simplification. 2y is equal to, you know that 37 by 2 minus 5 by 2. Subtraction of a rational number. Subtraction of a rational number. You have learned that, right? Subtraction of a rational number. It is having a common denominator. Having common denominator. So, what to do that? We will write, not common denominator, same denominator. Same denominator. We will write the denominator as it is and we will add or subtract whatever the value will be in the numerator. We will write as it is. 37 minus 5. Right? If it is same denominator, this is the method we are going to maintain, right? So, you have learned in rational numbers lesson. Right? Next, 2y is equal to 37 minus 5, 32. 37 minus 5, 32. Between 5 and 37, 37 is the higher value. Therefore, here it is having a positive sign, here also it is having a positive sign. Clear? Divided by 2. Divided by 2. Okay. Now we will simplify this further. 32 is divisible by 2. 32 is divisible by 2 how many times? 2 ones are 2 ones are 2, 1 will be remaining, 2 sixes are. So 2 16s are 32, 2 16s are 32, like that. Clear? So 16 by 1 is 16 only. If you want to, you can divide 32 by 2, it will become 16, right? Next, now we will simplify it. 2y is equal to 16. Ultimately, on the LHS, we should have only variable. What is the variable here? Y. But 2 is multiplied with the variable. So what I need to do to remove that? I should divide the equation by 2. Divide by 2 on both sides. Okay. Let us do that. 2y is equal to 16. I'll divide LHS also by 2, RHS also by 2. Right? On the LHS, 2 will get cancelled. So on the RHS, 2 ones are 2 8s are. So y is equal to how much? LHS remaining is y. RHS 8 by 1. 8 by 1 is 8. Y is equal to 8 is the solution of that equation. Yeah. 2y plus 5y2 is equal to 37 by 2. So that is the equation. Y is equal to 8 is the solution of that equation. If you want, you can substitute that. Y is equal to 8. Then you can simplify that. You will be getting LHS is equal to RHS. Clear? Okay. Now, some of the equations I will give it to you as a homework. Okay. So, see a by 5 plus 3 is equal to, okay. It's very simple equation, no confusion here. 3 is added here. I will be transposing 3 to the other side. Okay, then it will become 2 minus 3. Here it is a by 5. Okay, I'm just doing this. You need to do that. A by 5 transposing and all you should write. This is homework for you. I'm just showing. 2 plus 3 transposing minus 3. Correct? A by 5. 2 minus 3 is minus 1 because 3 is the IN value before the negative sign. So here you can observe that 5 is divided. So in order to remove that, multiply by 5. So 5n by 5 is equal to minus 5. Minus 1 into 5. 5 can cancel. A is equal to minus 1 into 5, minus 5. 5 into 1 is 5, plus into minus is minus. Clear? So A is equal to minus 1. This you need to write with the steps. What you need to transpose and what you need to write. You need to write and you should simplify that. So this is the homework for D. Q by 4 plus 7 is equal to 5. Same. Similar type like C. Okay? E. 5 by 2 x is equal to minus 5. 5 by 2 x is equal to minus 5. Here nothing will be there to transpose because nothing is added or nothing is subtracted. Okay? Only thing 5 is multiplied, 2 is divided. That we need to remove it. Or to that, I'll solve fifth one on E1 solution. Okay? So, with the variable 5 is multiplied. 5 is multiplied. If I want to remove that 5, I should divide by 5. Very easy. We will write that. Divide by 5 on both sides. Clear? Okay. 5x. It's only divided by 2. Then again I will be dividing by 5. Okay. In the RHS minus 5, I will be dividing by 5. Clear? 5x by 2 is the original value. I will be dividing by 5 on both sides. I will remove the 5. Clear? In the LHS, 5 will get cancelled. So what is remaining? X in the numerator, 2 in the denominator. Here, 5 ones are 5 ones are. Clear? So 1 divided by 1 will become 1 only. Minus 1. What is the remaining? X by 2 is equal to minus 1. X by 2 is equal to minus 1. Again I need to In order to remove that, we should multiply by 2. Multiply by 2. Multiply by 2 on both sides. So what will happen? X should multiply with 2. 2 into x divided by 2 is equal to minus 1 into 2. Clear? 2 is multiplied in the LHS also, 2 is multiplied in the RHS also. So in the LHS, 2 will get cancelled. X only remaining thing in the LHS. In the RHS, 2 into 1 is 2, plus into minus is minus. So x is equal to minus 2. Clear? This is the solution. Right? Understood this? Okay. This you need to multiply that. 2 into 1 are 2. Sign also should multiply because you have learned that how to multiply two numbers. Plus into minus is minus. Clear? So I will give you the same type of example for the homework. So these two will be the homework for you. Then the F 5 by 2 x is equal to 25 by 4. 25 by 4. 5x by 2. Okay? 5x by 2 is equal to 25 by 4. Same procedure. First we should multiply, divide by 5. Then 5 will be removed. Then multiply by 2. 2 will be removed. Then you can do that. Okay? G 7m plus 19 by 2 is equal to 30. This is also my first one. Second one. 19 by 2 and then transpose to the RHS. Then minus 19 by 2. 30 minus 19 by 2. You know that how to do that. Okay? Simplification of rational numbers. Subtraction of rational numbers. You can do that. G H 6z plus 10 is equal to minus 2. Again, it's a very simple equation. You can solve this. Okay. So remaining, I have 2 questions. I will solve in the next class. This is the homework for you. This is also homework, and this is also homework. This you need to complete in your home. Okay. So if you have any doubts, please get back to me. Okay. So that's it for today's class. This is transposing method of solving the equations. Very important. Learn this method. Okay. Any doubts, please get back to me.